what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel, and I am feeling brand new. As you guys can see from the title, this is going to be a wig video. And what's up, guys? Long time. I haven't sat down to film in like 2 weeks. Everything you're going to be seeing for the next few days are probably going to be pre-filmed here and there, but this one right here, this is real time. We're in the present. I was not able to film the past 2 weeks because my life has been insane, and I didn't even get to post last week because, again, just craziness. But I am back, and I am a whole new person. So as you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a wig video, and I just want to give you guys some tips on how I wear my wigs to still maintain my natural hair without damaging it in the process and still making it look flawless, okay? So I'm gonna get right into this video. This hair is from Alipearl Hair. You can find them on the internet. It is at alipearlhair.com, I believe. Yes, it is alipearlhair.com. And this is the beautiful hair that I was sent. I have not worn curly hair in over a year, and I am pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna get into the details of this, but first, let's get right into the prep and we can talk as we style this hair. Okay, so I wanted to start like this so we can start completely from scratch and we can work on this together. So a few details. This is the deep wave hair in 22 inches. And this is a 6x6 closure, not a frontal. We don't do frontals no more. I mean, I do, but if I could get a really big closure, I would rather do that. And I will explain that as I'm working through this hair. So let's just get right into this and enjoy this tutorial. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, if you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back. So I'm just gonna take this off. Let's be real. Let's just get close. I'm gonna rip my wig off. Okay, so this is the wig cap that they sent with the wig. So it's a nice, perfect brown color. Usually the one I buy from the beauty supply store is a bit darker, and it's usually a little bit too dark. So I was just happy to get one that was this nice, darker, tan, brown color, if that makes sense. Okay, so as you guys can see, my hair is flat for the most part. My cornrows are not the best. They're kind of a mess, but the point is they're flat, and that's all we need. So I just try to get my hair as flat as possible, especially in the front. So I kind of don't start the braid till a little further back, which sounds kind of silly, but that's just what works for me. So then I have a smooth front. You don't want to see lumps in the front, you know? So I try to start my braids a little further back, and as long as my hair is flat and braided, that's all that matters. And I try to make the braids small enough that you don't see any big grooves in my head. So the first thing I like to do when I'm putting on my wig is to lay my edges, which sounds kind of funny, but I like to make sure my edges are nice and smooth, so then if the wind blows my wig, you don't see anything crazy. So the first thing I'm doing is using my Belle Rocher edge control. This one, the one I claimed and I have officially decided is the world's best edge control. So I just put that on my edges and I slick my edges back just like this. And I stick them under my cap. So this way I don't have to glue my edges down. I don't have to glue my frontal to my edges. It's just nice and smooth and out of the way. And if anyone sees it, it'll look poppin' anyways. So it doesn't even matter. And that's that. So that's all I do for my base, and you guys can see my edges look nice no matter what. And I'll probably do my sideburns too, just so, again, if the wind blows, we're not exposed. I always wear a wig cap because my hair is quite dry and prone to breakage. I find that wearing a wig cap obviously keeps my hair more moisturized throughout the week when I'm wearing my wigs, and it also avoids any tugging and pulling when there are clips in the wigs. You don't want this pulling on your hair every time you put on and take off your wig. So you don't want any tension. You avoid that at all costs. So braid your hair nice and flat and tight and smooth. You got a wig cap, edges back, smooth, just like that. And then I go in with my wig. So with this wig, I actually bleached the knots earlier today. I used 30 volume developer and some bleach, and I mixed it together to get a toothpaste consistency, and then I put it on here for about 30 minutes only, uncovered, no aluminum foil, and it gives you the perfect light bleached knots without any severe shedding. So getting into that, I washed this hair, and when I tell you maybe 5 hairs came out of this wig, I was so impressed. And like I said, I haven't worn curly hair in a while just because I haven't had the best experience with it. I have tried some kinky stuff recently, but I haven't worn curly wigs in a while just because they don't last long, they don't maintain well, and it sometimes just frustrates me. But so far, this is the best curly wig I have ever received. If you see how juicy and natural these curls are at the bottom, it's amazing. And up here is obviously a little frizzy because it's in the lace, and I've been touching it the whole time, but the curls are so beautiful. The color is perfect. I don't need to dye it jet black. It's already a nice natural black. It's not that off brown color, so this is amazing. So let's just get right into this. First thing I'm gonna do is cut off this lace piece so we can secure our wig nicely. So like I said, I only got a frontal because I want to take care of my edges. Okay, so as I was saying, obviously if you have natural hair, usually we need our edges because a lot of our hairstyles that we wear are either pulled back or pinned in some kind of way. Even when our hair is out in a natural state, it's not falling in our face. So I really like to take care of my edges, and I do this by making sure that my wigs aren't too intense. And by this I mean that frontals have been a little bit difficult for me because of that. Okay. It's not always necessary. Let me just cut this and focus. Okay, so speaking of edges, like I said, now because of the closure that I got, there's nothing sticking to this. I might have a little bit up here, but mostly my problem is usually around this area. So because of this 6x6 wig, I still have freedom to make it look completely natural because the part is so deep and it covers just enough. Like, I don't need something ripping off my sideburns. So what I'm gonna be doing to secure this is using Got2b Freeze Spray. You guys know this is all I really use because it's gentle and it works. Yeah, so, and just a heads up, when you do have thick hair and you're trying to fit it under a wig nicely, try to braid your hair in a pattern that complements your part on the wig. So naturally, what I should have done is parted my hair and braided this way, or if you're braiding back, just make sure you have a part right here. So right here, I can feel my scalp. It's not a cornrow right in the middle, because if you do that, then your hair is not gonna lay as flat as you could possibly have it. So with that being said, my hair is right in between two braids, and we have a nice natural looking part so far-ish. We're getting there. And now I'm going to spray this down. So I'm just gonna move it back a little bit, and I'm gonna spray my hairline. So yeah, I'm only spraying this section because that's all that needs to be sprayed. That's all that's being glued down. Okay, so now the hairspray has gotten a little bit tacky, so it's ready for this to be stuck onto it. So I'm just gonna pull this forward, stick it down on all of the parts as well as I can. Oh my gosh, guys, I ran out of Got2b Freeze Spray right in time for this video. Jeez, that's how God knew this needed to go on my head ASAP. So with this being said, I'm just leave it just like that. It is secure, so I have no problems there. I'm just now going to blend in this part so it's a bit more realistic. So I'm just pulling out some hairs, just some tiny little ones, not too much. You don't want anything too crazy. Okay, so that's all the baby hair that I'm gonna do, but I am going to go in with my foundation sponge and just lightly dab the hairline and get off this super light lace color, so you can see it's already helping it blend in. So I'm not putting any extra makeup on it. I'm just using whatever's left on there and making it look as natural as possible. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so now you can see the sides. Edges are in, so we have no issues. No issues. Okay, so this is good. This looks so good. You guys can see the knots are perfectly bleached. It's not too orange. So now I'm gonna go into some water to tame this hair a little bit. Guys, what lace? Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Alright, so now I'm going in with some Curls, a Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. Obviously, I like to use real products on my wigs as well because this is hair. You can't just have it looking anyhow. And if I just use water, it's going to frizz up right away, obviously, because this is human hair. So you have to treat it like it is real hair. So I put in some leave-in conditioner to tame the curls, and I'm sure we already know how to take care of curls. So this is the easy part. And luckily this needs much less product than my own hair, so it makes my life easier. Obviously you can go ahead and let your hair dry, or you can rock this wet look. You can add a little bit of gel to keep it looking shiny and wet looking, or you could just, yeah, let it dry, let it be fluffy, and let it do its thing. But this is basically the full look. And I am obsessed, and guess what? It's my birthday wig. My birthday is in, when you see this, 3 days. So this is going to be my birthday hair, and I'm excited. You guys will be seeing lots of pictures with this. If you have any questions, comment them down below. But this is my way of trying to make sure that my wigs look as natural as possible. If you guys have any comments or questions, comment them down below and I will answer them. But this is the best wig that I have, the best curly wig that I have tried so far. And yeah, I'm a new person. You can call me Queenisha because I'm a newbie. This is amazing. I am in love with it. The color, the curl, the manageability. Like, I really needed this in my life. So, and I keep saying that. But every day you find something new and you realize, how have I been living without this? So this is it. This is the new wig, and I'm so excited. So if you are commenting, I would like to be addressed by Queenisha as Queenisha, because who's Queenie? Queenie, the girl that didn't have the wig yesterday? Oh, yeah, her, I remember. Basic. But yeah, so I'm so happy with this. You guys will be seeing lots of pictures, so make sure you follow me on Instagram, and all the details of this hair will be down below. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!